Good morning, dear children. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, welcome you all to the mathematics home mentoring session of the SK Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Last time when the maths lectures were rolled out, we left our exercise 3.4 on question number 1, part E. So let us do it. Dear children, in this question there is a barrel. Barrel is a cylindrical object which can store oil. It is having a capacity of 4500 bottles. Capacity is the maximum number of bottles which can come in the container. Now someone kept 2860 bottles in it. Out of these, 1925 bottles are removed. We want to find out how many bottles are still left in the barrel. So for this you are going to write the number of bottles kept, number of bottles removed, and simple subtract the sum. Don't forget to write the answer. Right? In this question, the capacity of the barrel is unnecessary information. Dear children, in this slide you are not able to see the answer written. So write the answer as 935 bottles. Having done this, put a line in your notebook and now quickly come to question number 2, first part. By how much is 6325 smaller than 9998? Dear children, in this question, we will simply subtract both the numbers to find how much smaller is 6325. So, writing the answer in one go is so important over here. 6325 is 3663 smaller than 9988. No statements are required to be written in these questions. Just do the subtraction and write the answer in the statement form. Now the next question is asking us what should be subtracted from 5869 to obtain 2312. So you subtract it and you get 3557. So 3557 should be subtracted from 5867. Writing this answer statement is important in these questions. Do remember. Next, क्या add करें? What should I add in 5621 so that my sum is 9999? So you subtract both of them and you get your answer. Simple. If you have 8 toffees in your pocket, you want to make it 10. How many more toffees would you add to it? 2. So you subtract 10 and 8 to get 2. So similarly we do this question. Writing the answer in the statement form, 4378 should be added to 5621 to make it 9999. The D part, dear children, we want to know that one is greater number, one is smaller. We want to know how much greater it is. 8602 कितना बड़ा है 5236 से. So we subtract and we come to know that 8602 is 3366 greater than 5236. Now the sum of two numbers is given to us over here. One of the numbers is given, we want to find the other numbers. That means out of the two addends, one of the addends is given and the sum is given. And we want to find out the second addend. So you subtract both of them and the other number you get is 45,133. The last one of this exercise, you need to find a number which is 3311 smaller than the number 8632. एक ऐसा नंबर बताना है जो 8632 से 3311 छोटा नंबर हो, स्मॉलर नंबर हो. So we subtract both of them, we get 5321. So 5321 is the number 3311 smaller than 8632. So that's all for today's work, children. For the next exercise, catch up the next video. Thank you.